Not all road trips consist of endless, repetitive highway. While some welcome the relaxation of the consistent, unchanging open road, others prefer the road trips with a side of thrills. We may accumulate our channel list of 10 of the world's most dangerous roads, and they may very well kill you. These dangerous roads around the world will get your adrenaline pumping, so fasten your seatbelts, you are in for a ride. The Karakoram Highway between China and Pakistan. At over 16,000 feet, the Karakoram Highway is one of the highest paved roads in the world. Close to 900 construction workers died while constructing what is often referred to as the Eighth World Wonder, killed during blasts or by falling into a gorge. The Zoji Pass in India. The Zoji Pass snakes over the Himalayan mountains at over 11,000 feet above sea level and is nothing more than a crumbling, single-lane dirt trail. Landslides are common occurrence on the road. Skipper's Canyon Road in New Zealand. Skipper's Canyon Road is so dangerous that motorists must apply for a special permit before driving it. The winding, barrierless gravel road was carved by miners in the late 19th century, and it's so narrow that you might find yourself in trouble if you come face to face with another vehicle. The Vitim River Bridge in Siberia. This wooden bridge is so narrow it's barely wide enough for one car. It also doesn't have railings. To top it off, the bridge is also iced over for most of the years, thanks to Siberia's chilly climate. Needless to say, surviving this crossing is considered a huge accomplishment. The Guoliang Tunnel in China. A small group of villagers hand-carved the Guoliang Tunnel into China's Taihang Mountains more than 40 years ago. It took 5 years for them to complete the nearly 4,000-foot tunnel, which is just wide enough to be driven along. 30 windows give daring drivers a peek at the drop just outside, which often has no barriers at all. Needless to say, its nickname, the road that does not tolerate mistakes, is spot on. The Stelvio Pass in Italy. Stelvio Pass snakes 9,000 feet uphill with 48 sharp turns into the Italian Alps. Don't let the stunning alpine views distract you though, as there is only a low concrete barrier between you and the steep mountain drop. The Million Dollar Highway in Colorado. The stretch of US Route 550 traverses three 10,000-foot mountain passes and winds across steep cliffs and hairpin curves, all without guardrails. Local folklore says Colorado's Million Dollar Highway got its name because an early traveler said you had have to pay her $1 million to drive it again. The North Yungas Highway in Bolivia. Bolivia's death road doesn't get its name from nowhere. The single-lane dirt road clings to rock face the whole way down, threatening to cause riders off the edge if they are distracted for just a moment. And the threat is real. Each year, some 300 drivers and cyclists fly off the route and perish on the 11,000-foot descent from the Andes to the rainforest. The Dalton Highway in Alaska. Alaska's nightmarish Dalton Highway stretches some 400 miles through remote forests, tundras, and over the Yukon River. What makes this drive extra scary is its 240-mile stretch with no gas stations, restaurants, hotels, or any other basic services. The road also contains multiple signs warning of steep grades and avalanches. The Atlantic Road in Averøy, Norway. A bridge on Norway's Atlantic Road is so steep and curvy that from some angles it seems to simply end. On a stormy day, gusts of wind and huge waves crash over the barricades and onto unsuspecting cars winding over the narrow bridge. These roads demand the ultimate in driving dexterity and have become infamous for their sheer drops, narrow passes, rough conditions, and unforgiving terrain. So whether you want to plan your next expedition or just freak yourself out, if you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.